Hey guys, this is day 4 of the work packet that we sent home. So if you haven't looked at the other videos, make sure you check those out first before you start on day 4. But I've got the materials you need and a little bit of information there. Make sure you're looking at your daily work outline to not be confused on the activity page that I'm talking about. But it should be the one that is front and back, and it says Super Teacher Worksheets down at the bottom. I would love to go over this iReady information with you guys. Thank you, Yair, Helen, Jacqueline, Chase, Cheyenne, Atreyu, Jacob, Mackenzie, Shayna, Rachel, Kane, Christian, Daniela, Rihanna, and Yancy for passing all of your lessons last week and getting your time in. And I've got a couple people that got their time in but didn't quite pass all of their lessons, which is still great. Thank you for logging in. Got Maria, Nevaeh, Esmeralda, Marley, Molly, Rosie. Oh no, sorry, so I had to go back and double check who that was that I missed, but I think it was Adam, Noe, and Gage that passed all of their lessons. Didn't quite get all of your time in, so make sure you're getting those 45 minutes in, those of you that are not. And again, thank you for logging into iReady. Very proud of you guys. So these are our goals for today. You can pause the screen. Sorry. And we can start with number 1 on the front of the ordered pairs page. So I've got number 1, which says 5, 8. So that means I'm going to go to the right 5 and I'm going to go up 8 to find that point. The letter M is at that point. So we're going to write down M for number 1. I'm going to do a couple of these with you so you get an idea of what you're expected to do, and then you can do the rest on your own. So we've got number 2 there, which means go. The ordered pair is 12, 2, which means go to the right 12, up 2, and we land at P. That is the point. So for the rest of them, you're going to follow the location, the ordered pair. The X coordinate, or the first number, is telling you how far to the right you're going to go. The second number, being your Y coordinate, is going to tell you how far up you need to go to find that specific point that they want you to find. For the second section there, we've got write the ordered pair for each given point. So they're giving you a couple letters, and you are expected to write down the ordered pair for that letter. So the first one is N. You see I have circled it there. And the location for that is 1, 1. I went to the right 1 and I went up 1 to find that letter. So my ordered pair is going to be 1, 1. For number 8, that would be point L. And I'm going to go in with a blue marker here so you guys can see. And I went to the right 4 and up 3 to get to that letter. You want to make sure you're going in the correct order. You want to go right or left first and then up or down second. If you remember that video where I talked about sometimes you go up or down depending on the number. If it's negative, you go down. If it's positive, you go up. But in this case, we're working with positive, so we're going all the time. We're using right and up as moves. But yeah, L was 4, 3. In case you missed it, the ordered pair was 4, 3. Third section says plot the following points on the coordinate grid. So they are giving me an ordered pair to plot, and then I'm going to put my point there, and I'm going to put the letters. So for this one, my ordered pair is 6, 11. That means go to the right 6 and up 11. And then you're going to put your point there, and you're going to write your letter. We don't have to have those arrows there. I'm just showing you the way that I'm moving to get there. But really, when we're plotting, we just want to put the point. We don't want to put the arrows. So I'm going to hover over with my pencil, go to the right 6, go up 11, and then I'm going to put a point there. So I went back and erased those arrows so that we could have a clean point with just a labeled letter there. And you will do the same for number 14 and number 15. Plot your point, put your letter there. On the back, we've got 2 different sections. So the first one says write the ordered pair for each of the objects listed. So helicopter, you want to find the helicopter on the coordinate plane. So you'll see that I'm going to circle the helicopter. And right there where the 2 lines cross is the location that you're going to write down. So I went to the right 6 and up 2 to get to the helicopter. So my ordered pair is 6, 2. And then I'm going to do the shoes. I circled the shoes there for you, and that point in the middle, right there where the 2 lines cross, that's what you're going to write down the ordered pair for. So my ordered pair is 9, 3. I went to the right 9 and up 3 to get to the shoes. You will do the same for the rest of them. I decided to go ahead and label them for you guys. It's kind of funny because I thought that the pepper was actually a mango, so you'll see that I start labeling it as a mango, and then I go back and I erase it. Um, but anyway, that's towards the end. So for the first one, we have to find the object that is at the ordered pair 3, 4. So we go to the right 3, we go up 4, and what you see there is a picture of a bench. So if you're not sure what that was called, that is a bench. And again, I'm going to go back and I'm going to label all of them. So you will see me mess up a little bit at first, and then I go back and erase it and I fix it toward the end. So there I am labeling a pepper as a mango. It looks like a mango to me. And then I think you'll have to pause your screen for a little bit so you can see the way that I labeled them after. I still don't know what the object is at 5, 8. It looks like a little shovel of some sort. I'm not sure, but anyway. Comparing decimals is on page 8. All right, guys, so sorry I got cut off there because of the voiceover. Obviously, I talk a little too slow. Anyway, so if you are interested in that video, make sure you check out the Day 4 iReady video for today to help you out with that comparing decimals assignment. And that'll be the second video that I put up today. I've got a little message for you guys. I'm so proud of you for doing your work, and I should have taken a little more time on the iReady section because that is something to be commended. Thank you so much for those of you that logged in and passed all of your lessons. And even if you didn't pass all of your lessons, I'm still proud of you for getting your time in and trying to do that lesson. I noticed some of you logged in, but you didn't get enough time, like you got a minute in, maybe you were a minute in and you decided not to do it. But anyway, make sure you actually do your time and do the right thing, even if no one is there to tell you what to do. I'm so proud of you, of those of you that have already been doing that. And that just tells me that you will get very far in life, and I'm just super proud. So thank you guys.